Isn't it amazing to be able to travel the world with just one currency and no worries about exchanging them? Can you imagine not needing to carry cash in your wallet? You can buy cryptocurrencies for their most appealing feature, i.e., they can get used from any device and location. With digitalization, you can buy crypto with a credit card and transfer money from one person to another effortlessly. However, the biggest issue in the context of crypto can be its acceptance. Hence, while traveling, it is crucial to list businesses and individuals who might accept crypto as a means of exchange. Your cryptocurrencies are safe and secure in your virtual wallet, even if you lose your physical wallet. Consequently, cryptocurrency can be among the most efficient forms of payment when traveling. Aside from food, cryptocurrency can get used to buying plane tickets, renting a car, and staying in a hotel. Choose your digital wallet carefully. First, ensure you have money in various hot wallets, preferably online or on your mobile. It means you may still transfer money to another wallet even when an exchange is unavailable or inaccessible for whatever reason. Finally, most of your money should be kept in a hard wallet. It is not ideal to have large sums of money in an online hot wallet, which is more vulnerable to malicious attacks. Authentication is critical. One of the best aspects of crypto is its worst, the crypto industry's heavy focus on technology. As a result, while you're spending cryptocurrency, protecting your digital identity is critical. It is essential to enable 2FA, two-factor authentication, for all wallets and exchange sites. It can be a good indicator if someone tries logging in as you are somewhere, and you can get notified through email or SMS. Finding crypto-friendly destinations. Not every country that you aim to visit is going to be crypto-friendly. One of the first steps to take has to be to find destinations that take cryptocurrencies. But to solely rely on cryptocurrencies as a payment form is something we do not suggest. To attempt Bitcoin travel, you should go to a place where numerous businesses accept cryptocurrencies. There are several apps and websites dedicated to locating cryptocurrency-friendly cities. Because cryptocurrency is so volatile in terms of its value and how various governments react, it's critical to keep your crypto knowledge up to date. Let us say on your Bangkok trip that cryptos are inoperable due to new regulations. Under such circumstances, you will surely get disappointed. El Salvador is one of the first countries to make Bitcoin a legal tender in 2021. The first crypto ATM came up in Canada. Space is fast changing, and many countries are starting to accept cryptos. Joe Biden's government released an executive order citing upcoming regulations for crypto space, finalizing the service providers. Cryptocurrency is a concept nearly a decade old. It is now that businesses of all sizes and natures are adopting it. Yet, not everywhere, it is possible to sell and buy cryptocurrency. Some airlines, hotels, and restaurants opened their doors to accept crypto payments, but not all. Especially if you want to travel locally using local transport, you may find it nearly impossible to commute that accepts cryptocurrency. And even if you try to go to a local restaurant where you can eat, it will be a little cumbersome. So, before you embark on the cryptocurrency-funded trip, finalize all the service providers. And at last, don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching our video.